In this video, we'll write the Lewis structure for Li2S, lithium sulfide. Lithium is a metal, and then sulfur, that's a nonmetal. When we have a metal and a nonmetal, it's an ionic compound, and the metal will transfer valence electrons to the nonmetal. So we'll put sulfur in the middle, and then lithium on either side. Lithium is in group 1 on the periodic table. That means it has one valence electron. And then sulfur, that's in group 16, sometimes called 6A. It has 6 valence electrons. So we said the lithium, that's the metal, that'll transfer electrons to the nonmetals. So the lithium transfers one electron here, and when it does that, it's lost a negative charge. Since it's lost a negative charge, it becomes a 1+. Same over here. The sulfur has gained 2 valence electrons. That means it has a 2-. We'll put brackets around the sulfide ion, and you'll sometimes see brackets around the positive metal cation. And that makes this the Lewis structure for Li2S, lithium sulfide. Do note that this is what is called a formula unit. Lithium sulfide is normally a crystal, and it's made up of a bunch of formula units in a repeating pattern. But the formula unit, that's useful. It helps us understand how the valence electrons are transferred from the metal to the nonmetal. This is Dr. B with the Lewis structure for lithium sulfide Li2S, and thanks for watching.